What's up, YouTube? I am RoyDL3, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Black Web dash cam. Alright, and here it is set up. It kind of hides behind the rearview mirror pretty well. Leave the cable plugged in. I got it all rigged up. It looks funky, but hey, it works. Starts automatically with your car. There we go. And it is pretty freaking simple and straightforward. One of the things I really dig about it myself is the mount. You can just pop her off right there. Boom. And take it inside. You don't want to leave it out in the cold or anything like that if you don't have to. And yeah, man. Let's charge her up. Now, as far as the battery life, whenever it is not plugged in, it has literally like 2.5 to 4 minutes of battery life. So that means you can freaking turn it on, set your settings real quick, and get out. Turn the motherfucker off, you know. So pretty much if you're going to be messing with it for any extended period of time, leave it plugged in. So here's what it comes with. It comes with the dash cam itself, a suction cup mount, a mini USB cable to run to your computer, and a mini USB charging cable for your car. That's the one I had plugged in, looks all funky. This camera comes with a 8GB micro SD, and it can handle up to a 32GB. I'm really pleased with this dash cam. I didn't want anything too technical or expensive or whatever. This motherfucker was $20. I can drop a $20 bill on a dash cam, a little extra security, no fucking problem. My biggest thing was it saving my friggin' settings. Like if I set the date, you know, and set my resolutions and shit, and then turn it off, I wanted it to be the same whenever I turn it back on. Well, this one does that. It saves all the shit. It can record audio, it can record, you know, with the video, it can record audio or not. It's got a G-force sensor, so if you brake hard or something like that, or, you know, if it senses some shit going on, it'll automatically lock the file, that way it can't be deleted or tampered with. Ultimately, would I recommend you buying one of these dash cams? Fuck yeah. Take a chance, drop a $20 bill on one of these, get you a Black Web dash cam from Walmart. It ain't bad, you know. It's actually pretty good, really. You know, 1080p resolution and shit. It's pretty awesome. I bought this one just kind of to test it and stuff like that and all that. But I'm gonna buy like 3 or 4 more, outfit my entire fleet. Which means I'm gonna put one in my wife's car. Might buy a second one to have facing me. You can like swivel it around, you know, like if you get pulled over or something, you can reach up to the camera and just turn it to face you. That way, you know, got all your bases covered, you know, there's no question. So ultimately, would I recommend you buy this dash cam? If you need a dash cam, a reliable dash cam, and you don't want to drop major cash on it, buy the Black Web dash cam. I'm RoyDL3. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you motherfuckers, and have fun, and be safe on the road. People are fucking crazy, y'all.